10 tips that make your work emails sound professional, all in one video. Save this and watch it twice. Don't say, "I'm fine," at your work. It makes your English sound too basic. Instead, say, "Not too bad. I'm pretty good. Never been better. I am doing phenomenal." Email like a leader. Don't write, "Sorry for the delay." Write, "Thanks for your patience." Don't write, "What time works best for you?" Write, "Can you do at 5 p.m.?" Don't write, "No problem." Write, "Always happy to help." How to close a formal email. 1. I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter. 2. Thank you for considering my request. 3. I look forward to your response. 4. Should you require any further information, please let me know. 5. Thank you for your time and consideration. How to finish an email. Stop saying thanks. Instead, say, "Best regards, sincerely, kind regards, much appreciated, all the best." Email like a pro. Don't write, "Is it okay for you?" Write, "Is it convenient for you?" Don't write, "Shall I send you the PDF file?" Write, "Would you like me to send the PDF file?" Don't write, "Can you please send me the?" Write, "I would be grateful if you could send me the." Email like a boss. Don't write, "Don't forget that." Write, "I would like to remind you that." Don't write, "I'd like to tell you." Write, "I'd like to inform you." Don't write, "I am sorry to inform you." Write, "I regret to inform you." Email like a pro. Don't say, "Sorry, I was late to the meeting." Say, "Thank you for your patience." Don't say, "Oops, somehow I missed your email." Say, "Thank you for the reminder." Don't say, "I was just wondering when it would be ready." Say, "When can I expect an update?" Do you want to speak business English like a native speaker? Stop saying firstly. Say to begin with. Stop saying secondly. Say in addition. Stop saying thirdly. Say furthermore. Stop saying lastly. Say in conclusion. Don't always say "and" at work. It makes your English sound too basic. Instead say moreover, furthermore, in addition. Another point is, on top of that, respond like a leader. Don't say, "I wanted to tell you about." Say, "The following is to inform you of." Don't say, "Can you please do this?" Say, "It would be greatly appreciated if you could do this." Don't say, "I am so sorry to tell you." Say, "Unfortunately, I regret to inform you."